Robot Vacuum, GOOVI 1600 PA Robotic Vacuum Cleaner with self-charging, 360 degrees smart sensor ProtectioN, multiple cleaning modes. Vacuum best for pet hairs, hard floor and medium carpet. Powerful suction, 1600 pascals of intense suction picks up dust, crumbs, and dirts. Ideal for hardwood floor carpet. Easy operation with remote control, or auto clean all at one touch. Efficient and intelligent, GOOVI Slim Robot Vacuum automatically returns to charging base to recharge when in low power, ensuring it's always charged and ready to clean. Thorough cleaning, 2.83 low-profile design enables vacuum cleaner glide underneath beds and sofa with ease, cleaning under beds, sofa where dirt hides. Worry-free cleaning, large wheels roll over carpets and climb over door ledges to get to the mess. Multiple cleaning modes and a preset vacuuming time ensure an effortless clean while you do other things or nothing at all. What you get: GOOVI Robotic Vacuum, 4x side brushes, 1x extra high efficiency filter,